Exton, Chester, Phoenixville. If your garage door is stuck, don't force it. First Choice Garage Doors gets it moving again, fast and safely. From new door installs to full replacements, we'll help you choose what fits your home. Opener acting up, remote failing, or the door reversing? We troubleshoot, repair, and get you back to one-tap reliability. For businesses, we handle commercial doors too. Repairs, installs, and downtime-friendly service. And with regular maintenance and a quick tune-up, you can avoid track issues and surprise breakdowns. When your garage door needs real help, call us today.